Hi, Sean here from Java SE Certification Training. In this short video, we're going to look at what constitutes a valid and invalid identifier. Okay, which of those are valid declarations? Can you declare an int like that? Yep, that's a $sign. A pound sign is okay as well. That's fine. There's no problem with that. The next one. Can't start a variable with a number. Can't start with a number. An underscore. Yes. D is no. That's an invalid character regardless of where you put it. E is wrong. Can't put a percent in anywhere. Star. Can't put a star in there anywhere. Can't put semicolons, curly brackets, all these invalid characters. Okay? Starts with a $, a pound sign, a letter, or an underscore. And this big long one here, that's fine. Underscores just make it readable. Okay? I like how they say the identifier is supposed to begin with a $, so I said I'll have to try it out. The pound sign is acceptable. You know, there's no problem with it. The euro symbol is also acceptable. So if you like that video, please click like. If you want to get further content, please subscribe. Thanks very much.